So I decided to do the Fulani flip over braids on my real hair. So I can switch it, on both sides. Like the boho or different hairstyles. So keep watching so that you can see my 18 different hairstyles that I did with the Fulani flip over inspired hairstyles with my natural hair. I hope that y'all enjoy this video. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. It's really soft. Do it up. But I like it. You see the cross. I think I did a pretty good job. My first time doing crisscross and intricate different braids and stuff, little triangle. So y'all let me know if y'all like it. Just put a couple of little jewelry and stuff in it. A couple of little strings. It's got like the little Tetris design in the front. Okay. Just a little natural hairstyle. Protective hairstyle. These are my real curl patterns. No weave, just my hair. Protect my ends. I'll be styling. So here's one style you could do. Okay. Let me show you some more. Quick bantu knot out. I'm just doing it really fast, but quick bantu knot out. Put the sides up. Keep one down. That's another style. To the side, put one bobby pin right in the middle. You got the side. And again, keep the one side for the, like that. That's cute. So right here you have the pony, and I just wrapped around 2 of the braids to get the effect. So it'll sit up a little higher, and just back like that. And if you want to like have a side, you could do a side. You could do a side. I just like it, so versatile. So that's another style. Okay, here go like the 2, space, ponies, and then just a couple of hanging in the back. A little something. That's cute too. Again, I'm just wrapping the braids around using bobby pins. And again, if you wanna do the sides, you take the sides. Or if you wanna even do like front one, you do a front one too. That's why I love this, because it's so versatile for real. Bam. Yeah, another hairstyle. So that's another one. 2 in 1 for you. Real fast. Okay, quick 2 braids. And I just did it really fast, but just giving y'all an idea how you can do it. Just braid your hair down, and then you got you got 2, like you can do like the stitch braids kind of, or whatever. Like I said, this is a quick boom boom. I'm just sitting here thinking of hairstyles. So that's another little cute little hairstyle. Okay. So here's another one. After you have the 2 braids, just take the bottoms are loose and then wrap the hair around. And then I put the 2 pieces back, and here's another hairstyle. Like I said, it's so versatile. Like this might be my go-to hairstyle forever. It takes a minute now to do, okay, because these braids is real small. It took me like 6 hours to do, but I think it's worth it, okay? I'm loving it. Let me see if I can find another hairstyle for y'all. Okay, now, this one you can do look like a French twist or whatever, or, pretty much like a French roll. This will be something like, holidays coming up, different things like that, different parties, and put a pretty little like, matter of fact, I think I have one. Like a diamond clip or whatever right there, that would be really cute. So again, just another hairstyle, and these are like my little metallic little string that I put in my hair. But it's another hairstyle. Like I said, it's so easy, y'all. Okay, so like I was showing y'all, just a little, you know, clip or whatever, just a little thing. I'm just showing y'all how you can do that. That's another style. Okay, here's another style. I'm just going in tonight. Okay, so this one I just flipped all my hair up, and then as you can see, I just did like a crisscross, like pull the hair here, pull the hair on this side, and keep putting it up like that, and you know, then just have the weight in the front like that. I'm actually loving this one for real. And of course, you know, you leave a couple of little long pieces in the back or whatever, or if you want to bring that up, you can take it up too, but you know me, I like mine to hang a little bit. Yeah. This is another cute little hairstyle that you can wear. Put a couple of bobby pins. I think I put like a hairpin and a bobby pin or whatever, and yeah, call it a day. Cute. Another hairstyle. And I haven't seen any girls on YouTube doing their hair like this, because you know some of the styles everybody do, but I think I might got 15 for you. I don't even know, because what I'm at, number 6 or 7, I don't know. I'm so creative. But here's another one for you. Bam. Let's go. Okay, here's another style. So what I did was took one braid and kept it a little bit loose so that it'll be full in like the back. And then I took another braid from the side, as you can see, like the little comb over all to one side. That's cute too. So that's another style that y'all could do. Yeah, that's real cute. And of course, if you wanna take the little side, which I love having the little side actually. That's cute. My hair is so soft. Okay, so that's another one. Another one. Okay. Okay, so here you go. One French braid down the middle. If you want to have your sides, you can have the sides. If not, you can tuck them back. Tuck them back like that. Just tuck them in the thing. And then if you want to have a little piece here, or you want to have, if you want to like have one like here, you can have one here. Put that one there. There's the old school with the one side. All that stuff coming back now though. Or you could do two. What other side at? Right here. See, with these, you gotta realize they're individual. So you just use it like it's your real hair. Like it's just hair. It's because it's so thin. Like it's so small. Not thin because my hair is thick, but it's so small. The little braids so small, so they're very versatile. This is like, you know, they're individuals. So here's another style. Okay. With or without the little sides. Easy breezy. Easy hairstyle. Like literally easy. Okay. Okay, once you've taken that French braider loose, just keep a little bit braided, and then what I did was just took the tip like this, like that end piece, and just bobby pinned it, and then you got another hairstyle. Another hairstyle. I think that the styles are endless. I've not seen anybody showcase these hairstyles to even think to even do this with their little mini braids or whatever. So you can braid your mini braids. Okay, you can put plaits in your mini braids or whatever. So yeah. Got another one. I'm at 17 now. So what I did was just take these pieces on the sides and just bobby pin them. And so there's another hairstyle. Let me see if it works in the back. It's just pretty simple. So that's why I was like, no, do I have any more? So I may have like 3 more simple styles, but here's another simple one. Okay, I'm sure you've seen this one here, but here's another one. And then what you can do is just take these together, and then you got your bun. It's another hairstyle, of course, easy hairstyle. And of course, you can take the piece and, you know, you got the hairstyle or whatever. These ones are simple, you know, a tuck, a rolling tuck. Let me see if I can do it with the one hand. Like the rolling tuck. Yeah, see, rolling tuck. Easy. So that's another one you can do. And again, I'm just taking the braids from the bottom or the top or wherever the longest braids is, and just wrapping the hair and putting a hairpin or a bobby pin to secure it. So that's another style. Okay. And I like mine to be a little roughed up because, you know, once you put the gel and stuff on it, the curls be so defined. Now they're nice and soft and getting crunchy and a little bit of frizz. Because that's how I want mine. I don't like mine to look all perfect. But yeah, I don't know if I got any more for y'all. I'ma see. Okay, quick top knot. Now what I had to do was take piece by piece and wrap the top knot. I put a ponytail at the top, and then the back just kept, you know, pulling it up or whatever to do it, because, you know, the pieces get short in the back, so you gotta like keep wrapping it and, you know, use some bobby pins and stuff. But here's a top knot for you, so you can do a top knot. Okay, girls just want to have fun. Pony to the side. Okay, definitely can do that. Easy. And of course, you know, you can do it in the middle too, but side is so much funner, of course. Yeah. And I think I'm done, y'all. Thanks for watching. Y'all make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all notification bell so y'all won't miss any more of my videos, my DIYs. Love y'all.